Going on YouTube. I just did a cold start. I should have recorded the cold start, but it's pretty cold. Um, I changed my exhaust out. What's the little stain coming out carburetor? I changed my exhaust out for a shorty from a 21 V-twin intake V-twin. I did those marks on the end of it. I did have my stack welded on there, but the guy I let weld it really fucked that up for me. Excuse my language. But yeah, it's kind of loud. Pretty loud. That bumper ain't gonna work out too good with the carb body on there. But yeah, I'm prepping her for a mud bog. So wait till I get my back tires and get some new tires put on those rims. But I'll see you on the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe.